Hi, I'm Echoes of Wisdom, and welcome to Echoes of Wisdom. Today, we're starting a new journey, diving into the ancient philosophy of Stoicism, a philosophy born over 2,000 years ago, yet more useful than ever in our chaotic modern lives. Stoicism began in ancient Greece with a man named Zeno of Citium. After losing everything in a shipwreck, he devoted his life to understanding how to stay strong no matter what life throws at you. He taught in a painted porch in Athens, the Stoa, and that's where Stoicism gets its name. Later, Roman philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Emperor Marcus Aurelius carried Stoicism forward. They were politicians, slaves, and rulers, proving that this philosophy can guide anyone in any life. First, control what you can, accept what you can't. Epictetus taught that our peace depends not on events, but on our response to them. Second, virtue is the highest good. Stoics believe the purpose of life is to live with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline, no matter the outcome. Third, focus on the present moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." For Stoics, remembering life is short helps us live fully, instead of wasting time on fear and regret. In our world of constant noise and pressure, Stoicism offers a quiet strength. When you pause before reacting, when you choose values over impulses, when you focus on what's in your control, you're practicing Stoicism. It's not about being emotionless, it's about being calm, clear, and grounded. This is just the beginning of our journey into Stoic philosophy. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these principles and learn how to apply them in real life. If this gave you something to think about, leave a comment and tell me what you found meaningful. And don't forget to subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom, where ancient ideas guide us to modern peace.